Hi, welcome to the next Blender tutorial. So today we're going to be doing compact makeup. So I have a little bit of makeup here. Yeah, we'll see whether we can make something similar. So we will start with a cube. We'll start with the cube. Oh look, we have one. We have the default cube. So I'm going to scale this down. Just to about here. Scale it outwards. Scale down again. That's the scale. And then we will we'll subdivide this. So I think, yeah, I'm kind of looking at it going like it's an oblong and it's not. It's kind of just squared. So I'm just going to center the loop cut here. So Control R. I'm just going to quarter it out. Go right there. Maybe let's go half on this side. Yeah. Okay, so the next thing is to divide it into the little pallets that this has. So I think maybe just there. I'm just kind of planning lines right here. To be honest with you, I could probably subdivided this, but me being me, because I need the tray in the middle here. So I'm just going to choose some faces and see what we can do with this. So E for extrude. On this side, I'm just going to scale it in just slightly, and then E for extrude all the way down. So that's going to be where the little brush sits. And then we want 4 parts on this side. So let's go with I'm trying to think so that this is even. So maybe from there, and then we could go from here. Maybe take that line off. Yeah, I'd say that's about right. And then E for extrude. Just a little palette bits. Let me see. So I need a little bit of a hinge mount on the top here. So I'm just going to take these and then E for extrude. So this little hinge is going to go there. So we'll go to object mode, shade smooth. This one's going to be black for the outside. If you haven't already, place your render mode into cycles. And then we're going to go to add plane. And then we're just going to make a little plane for each one of these. Just in here. Shift D, duplicate it over to the next one, and then duplicate over to the next one. Should be the correct size. Just gotta make sure these fit. Shift D, move it over to the next one. And so each one of these, we can bring these up. So now you're going to want different shades on these. So this one, we'll go to Materials tab. We could do kind of a light colour on that one. We could do next one. We could do kind of a red kind of tone. And then this one, just basically an eyeshadow palette. Let's see. I guess we could do like an incredible green. We could do like a green. That looks really odd. Let's not do the green. Maybe do a blue. Yeah. So that looks cool. Okay, so the next part we might want to do is let's add a plane on top. Yeah, okay, let's go with the plane. Something's telling me to put cube. Something's like, use cube, use cube. I'm just going to put this straight over the top. And we will fill in the entire thing. So press 7 just to see from above. We could go with X-ray as well. So we can just see underneath. Scale this outwards. And then we can just go E for extrude. So edit mode, E for extrude. Just bring this down. So yeah, in theory we do have a cube now. And then we can go E for extrude, don't move it, and then scale inwards. And then E for extrude again, and that's the inside of the makeup kit. And then we can go with, let's add a cylinder, rotate this on its side, 90 degrees, scale it down, scale it across, and then go G, bring it over. We'll shade that smooth. And then this will be the hinge for the makeup kit. So this one, you're going to have to put this as glass. So just change your principal BSDF to glass. Turn down your roughness just slightly. And then select this box on top. And then we're going to use that material, which should be this one, as the glass. So now, you can see that we can kind of see the makeup kit. So we take this all the way down. And then we just mess around with the IOR. We should be able to see straight into the makeup kit itself. I'm going to change the black underneath actually to a little bit more of a shine, just metallic. And then we're going to add a mesh plane just below that so we can kind of see the definition just a little bit more. And that should be it. That should be the makeup palette. Pretty basic, but great for a prop. I'll see you guys in the next one.